Morning guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is the beginning of a series called Cheap Amazon Products. You can test them. First up in this series, I guess, episode 1, are these little audio soundboards. These audio soundboards are supposedly very diverse. I can hook like any type of speaker up to them and make a little speaker set. So we'll go ahead and try it out. So here we have our little things. They come in a clear plastic package. And the kit comes with 6, very reasonable price. So inside each package, there's these little boards that have power and audio directional solder boards, and then a nut and a washer. Nut and washer are for these very handy knobs to go on the volume knob. And then we get these cables, of course. You have to cut these yourself. You cut them and then you solder them to the board, of course, and maybe plug it into a computer and hopefully it works. So I recently got from my school a bucket of old Chromebooks for free. Some of them do not work. I want to salvage these speakers, and that will be a great way to test out these boards. Let's get these soldered together. So I got everything wired up, but there seems to be a problem, maybe with these speakers. I'm not sure, but it's got a lot of noise and isn't quite as loud as the laptop speakers. Do the laptop speakers. So it must probably be these speakers. These are Lenovo speakers, so they could have some type of proprietary connection, because this one's not even working. It could be the power connection, but I will try another set of speakers and see what happens. So I've hooked up a different brand of speakers. These ones are Acer. And the same thing is happening. So the one speaker is working that just has the positive and negative in, and the speaker that has the original junction is not working, which is weird. But this time these speakers actually got pretty loud. But it's only this one, because this one isn't working. So I'm going to try connecting the speakers using those connectors instead and see what happens. Alright, so I finished the speaker. I put it in a box because it's cool. And I found out that I just needed to resolder. The one board might have been faulty, but this board works great now. So I also decided this will be a great time to introduce you to my cardboard PC. This was the 2017 Lenovo Flex 3 that was in my first video, a hard drive replacement. This computer, the screen cracked, the keyboard and trackpad stopped working, and the internal speakers just disconnected and never worked again. So I just took it all out, threw it in some cardboard, and called it my cardboard PC. Well, now I have a cardboard PC, and I have a cardboard speaker. Crazy, isn't it? I have a set now. Let me know in the future if you want me to see, or want you to see anyways, a cardboard screen. I got some leftover Chromebooks, but this speaker is actually working really good. So, to rate this cheap Amazon product and to end this series video, I would give it a 4 out of 5 stars. When you turn the volume up past half, it does get a little noisy with some songs. It could be because of the speakers I have, but in my particular case, any speaker should work. My soldering joints are actually really good for my first time. I'm pretty happy with it. So 4.5, definitely would recommend. Very cool DIY product. Until next time.